Hello traders, welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, we're talking about a free tool that you can use to backtest your chart. I will be using the Dukascopy. Dukascopy, also known as Forex, is a broker and also a bank in Switzerland. So in this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to use their app to backtest your strategy to see if it actually aligns before you finally start trading that particular strategy. Without wasting much of our time, guys, let's go back to the chart. You can easily go to Google and then type this Dukascopy, and then all these things will pop out. Or simply go to the description of this particular video. You see the link that is there. Just click on it. It will still take you to the official website straightforward. Then once you use the link in the description of this particular video, then it will take you to this particular interface. You can see this is their website. This is the official website. Very easy to navigate. Now, next thing you need to do is just go to the particular place where they wrote Forex trading. Go ahead and hit on it. If you hit on Forex trading, then scroll down to the particular place where they wrote Forex/CFD trading platforms. That's what you go. That's what you click on. Once you click on it, then you take you to this particular interface. You can see how it looks like. At this particular place, they wrote desktop, web, mobile. Since you're analyzing with your desktop, do you understand? Just go ahead and hit on desktop. If you're going for mobile phone, then you can use this particular one. So I can go ahead and hit on desktop. If you click on desktop, then you take you to this particular interface. Here, you need to install for Windows. In case you don't have the app on your phone, then you can click on install for Windows. Then the app will be installed on your phone. As for me, I already have the app, so I'll go ahead and launch it so you can start the work at once. This is just how the app will look like, exactly like this. So let's go ahead and open the app, guys. Now, once you are done downloading the app, which looks exactly like this, then this is the next interface you see. Now, on this particular interface, you see the particular way they wrote create a live account and also create a demo account. You're expected to go ahead and create a demo account since you want to use this particular app to backtest. Now, go ahead and create a demo account. After creating a demo account, they will send you your login details, like your login and also your password. And you can see that I already have my own login details, my own login and also my password. Just in case if you are trying to log in and it is not going through, then request for change of password and input a password that actually aligns. You understand? Why sometimes if your time is not correct, you understand that the time your system is not aligning within the normal time of the world, then it's not actually logging to. So you're expected to go and set your time automatically to roll with the normal website time. Now, once you are done with that, go ahead and click on this particular page where they wrote login. Once you are done with that, just copy your login details and also your password and click on and come and paste it here, and then go ahead and hit on login. If it's your first time of installing this particular app and also opening it, then this is how it will look like. You understand? Everywhere will be filled up. First thing you need to do is just go to this particular. Do you see this arrow here? You understand? This switch arrow here to switch to the left. This arrow that is pointing to the left, go ahead and hit on it. Then go here, you see this other arrow here, switch to the right. Go ahead and hit on it so you can see everywhere is now okay. You can see the charts clearly. Now at this particular point, let's go straight to the business. I'm here to teach you how to backtest. So here, all you need to do is just go to this particular, you see this timing, you see this particular timing symbol. That's what you get, that's what you hit on. Once you hit on it, then it will take the chart will now change to something that looks like this. You understand? If it's your first time, it will actually request a permission from you for you to allow it to load something like this. Then go ahead and approve the permission, and then it will look exactly like this. You see the tools that you need for your backtesting. Are you getting me? For the backtesting to start occurring, you can see this particular button here. Just hit on it. If you're hitting on it, then it will be increasing. Do you understand? That's how this one works. But in case you want the backtesting to start from a particular level to a particular level, what you need to do at this particular point, you see this particular arrow here, this particular one, that's what you will click on. If you click on it, then this particular calendar will come out. Here you can easily set the time. You can easily set the time that you want the backtesting to start and stop. Do you understand? Or better still, you can just come out and then choose a particular place. Once you choose there, then the chart will disappear. You understand? I don't know if you're getting me. Let me repeat it. Let's say you click on this particular timing symbol now. Now you scroll the charts. Look at how the chart looks like. Now, if you want to start from somewhere from behind, you can easily get the calendar here. You understand? But in case you don't want, you can just click on this thing. Just roll it to the place you want it to be. Click on that particular arrow again. Then once you click this particular arrow, you see this vertical line will come out. You understand? Just be following your cursor. Now go ahead and hit. Let's say I want to start backtesting from here. Are you getting me? Then I will hit on it. Just click on your mouse and then the other side will disappear. Then this side will remain. Then all you need to do is just go ahead and click on this particular play button here. Just that next. If you hit on it, then it will start backtesting at once. Do you understand? That's just how it works, guys. This is just simplest way to backtest. But in case you open your chart and it's somehow black, the dark mode, you can easily change it to white mode by going to particular setting. If you click on setting and then click on themes, then if you click on dark, then it will be dark. Are you getting me? If you click on lights, it will also be in light. As simple as that. If it's in dark, there's no problem, it's still okay. Click on backtesting, it's still rolling. You understand? If you want it to be in the dark mode, then go to settings, go to theme, and then select the light mode. I want it to be in light mode. I prefer the light mode. Then that's it. Once you are done, go ahead and click on the timing button, the timing symbol there, and that's the display widgets. Now we are done. The chart will come back to its former states as it was before. That's all for backtesting with this particular Forex or Dukascopy. If you find this very helpful and learn how to backtest your chart using the Forex, don't forget to do just one favor by liking this particular video and subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.